Hi, welcome to the tutorial. First, go to www.investingnode.com, click top right, login. After that, key in your username and your password as per the email. Click sign in. After that, you'll be brought to our homepage, and top right hand corner there will be simulation. Click that. After that, you'll be brought to this page. Alright, so the rules and the leaderboard ranking will be there. Okay, so after that, click the top button, view my simulation. You'll be brought to this page. When you're this page, you will see your portfolio, right? So your cash balance, your profit and loss. Okay, click buy to buy a stock. Let's say I want to buy OCBC. Alright, so OCBC currently the price is 11.22. So number of shares, key in the number of shares you want to buy. Let's say 10 lots. That will be $11,220. Alright, place the order. After you click that, you will see it in your portfolio as the per transactions, and you can monitor your profit and loss here as well. After that, go to the bottom. If you want to put a remark, let's say I bought OCBC because of a certain reason, you can click there and post. Alright, so this one will be public. Alright, so if you encounter any issues, please contact us at admin@investingnode.com. Thank you.